Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Shirley Ramoso. I am 39 years of age. I am solo parent. I have 2 kids. They are 11 and 16. I am college graduate with a course of Bachelor of Agricultural Technology.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family in terms of financial needs.
Tell me about your experience in previous job.
I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and in Qatar for 1 year and in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 4 years.
What are your duties?
My duty is to clean the house, take care of the children, cooking.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, sir. I took care of baby, 3 weeks old, and the child is 7, 10, and 14.
Can you tell us how you will take care of baby?
Yes, ma'am, sir. I took care of the baby by changing diapers, taking a bath, prepare their clothes, prepare their foods.
What are your skills?
Aside from taking care of children, I can take care of pets, I can cook.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As domestic helper, it is necessary to be loyal, trustworthy, honest, hardworking, and flexible.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer?
Hello, ma'am and sir. Please choose me as your helper. I promise to do my job well because I am hardworking, trustworthy, and flexible. Thank you and hope to see you soon.